Chapter 2. The Soldier on the Bridge. The priest and the maiden got up to leave. As they left the square, the maiden looked back timidly at Don Vincent, and he immediately fell in love with her. Who is she? I must talk to her, Don Vincent thought. Don Vincent asked the local people about the pair. Who are they, he asked. Where do they live? That's Father Thomas and his servant Emmeline, they told him. They live in the big house next to the mosque. Don Vincent thought about Emmeline constantly. He sat outside her house and waited for her to come to her window. He serenaded her at night with his guitar, but Emmeline did not appear, and Don Vincent despaired. On the eve of St. John, everybody went into the town to dance. Don Vincent walked along the river and sat across from a bridge. He watched the happy couples and felt very envious. Suddenly, he noticed a tall soldier with a gray beard guarding the bridge. The soldier wore a suit of armor and had a shield and a sword, but nobody looked at him as they crossed the bridge. Was he invisible to all except Don Vincent? Don Vincent approached the soldier and said to him, "You're wearing strange clothes. Who are you?" Chapter 3. The Soldier's Story. I am a soldier of Ferdinand and Isabella's army, the man answered. I started to guard this bridge 300 years ago. Follow me with courage, and you will make your fortune. I don't want to commit a crime, said Don Vincent worriedly. Trust me, and don't be afraid, answered the soldier. Don Vincent followed the soldier. Together they climbed the hill between the Alhambra and the beautiful gardens of Generalife. In the past, this was the summer palace of the sultans of Granada. Finally, Don Vincent and the soldier arrived at a deserted tower. The soldier hit the ground with his sword 3 times, and suddenly the stones moved and revealed an entrance into a vault underneath. They entered the dark vault. It was very cold inside. This is my home, the soldier said. It's very cold in here, Don Vincent said. I came to this room 300 years ago, and I am a prisoner here, explained the soldier. A prisoner? Repeated Don Vincent. That's not true. You are on the bridge. You walked back to this place. You're a free man. No, answered the soldier sadly. That only happens once in 100 years, on the eve of St. John. The Muslim lifts the spell on that day. What Muslim? What spell? I don't understand, said Don Vincent. In 1483, we defeated Boabdil, the last king of Granada. Then, I helped a Muslim to hide some of King Boabdil's treasures here. But the Muslim tricked me, explained the soldier. He locked me up here to guard the treasures, but he didn't return to collect them again. He put a spell on me, and I became invisible. Nobody can help me because nobody can see me, except you. You're the first person to see me because you're wearing the gold and silver ring of Solomon. It's a magic ring.